Look at this set, about 5 times towns, lots of informations are given. So better to use a table to jot those information. Five towns, A, B, C, D, E. Name, population, longitude, latitude, harbor, industrial town, harbor or industrial town, plain hill station, plain hill station. What else we have? Or rather, I would have separately. Harbor, hill station, plain, industrial. Okay. Population of 2 towns is less than 5 lakh. It is 20 lakh for 1 per town and more than 50 lakhs for 2 towns. 2 towns of same altitude, 2 are the same longitude, and both harbors are different, but out of one of them is industrial town. The population of both the industrial town is more than 50 lakhs. One industrial town is neither hill station nor a harbor. Not of the hill station is an industrial town. Okay. Starting with B is a hill station, so not an harbor. So not an industrial town, not in plain land. While longitude of A and E are same, E is a harbor. A, E, longitude same. E is a harbor, so E is not hill station. Achha, harbor and industrial town can be common. Latitude of D and C are same. 2 towns are of same latitude, other 2 are on same longitude. Okay. C and D are having same latitude. B and A and E are having same longitude. E is the harbor. Latitude of this population of D is 20 lakhs. Both the harbors are capitals, and one of them is an industrial town or not. Both the harbors are capital or not. Both the harbors are capital. Capital. So this is a harbor, so this is a capital. One of them is an industrial town and one hill station is a capital. Longitude of both the harbors are different. There is an harbor, so this is not an harbor because longitudes are different. One of them is an industrial town. One of these two is a harbor. Population of both industrial town is more than 50 lakhs. So this is 5 lakh below. One industrial town is neither Hillston nor a harbor. None of the hill station is an industrial town. The longitude of one hill station and one of the industrial town is same. The latitude and longitude of other hill station and other harbor are different. Longitude of one of the hill station and one of the industrial town is same. So it is A and D. The hill station of which longitudes are same are same as that of harbor is a capital. Latitude of D and C are same. E is a harbor. Acha, longitude of the hill station of which longitude is same as that of harbor is a capital. Longitude of hill station of which is longitude same as the harbor. Harbor, hill station, longitude same. E is the harbor, so A is the hill station. There are two hill stations. So A is a hill station. Only one hill station is a capital, and the hill station of which longitude is same as the harbor is a capital. How many capitals are there? 4 capitals are there. 4 capitals, 2 industrial town, 2 of them in plain. Both of them are harbors. Two hill stations. Okay, so it is not plain. Longitudes of both the harbors are different. Longitude of both the harbors, one of them is an industrial town. None of the hill station is industrial town. So it's not an industrial town. A and B are the hill stations. Only one hill station is a capital and A is a capital, so B is not a capital. So all these 3 are capitals. Population of both the industrial town is more than 50 lakh. So none of them are more than 50 lakh. So this is below 50 lakh. This has to be 50 lakhs plus. This has to be 50 lakhs. They are below 5 lakh. So this has to be the industrial town. This has to be the industrial town. This is not the industrial town. 2 industrial towns we have got. The latitude of D and C are same, and the population of D is 20 lakhs. So where is the other harbor? One industrial town is neither hill station nor a harbor. Among these two, one of them is a harbor. That was in plain. Another harbor we need to find out. And only one of the harbor is an industrial town. This harbor is an industrial town. This is industrial south. This is not an harbor. So this is harbor. So this is plain. This is not plain. Done. First problem. Which of the following towns are population less than 5 lakh? A and B. Option C. Second problem. Which of the following is a harbor, capital, industrial town? Harbor, capital, and industrial town. Harbor, capital, and industrial town. E. Option D. CTE. Which of the following town have population more than 50 lakhs? C and D. Option C. Which of the following hill station as well as a capital? Hill station, capital. A. Option D.